Good evening guys, Benji Pagulong here. So I'm going to do unboxing video for today, and I'm going to unbox this Zhiyun, mostly they call it the Zhiyun Crane or Zhiyun Crane, I don't know, Zhiyun Crane-M. So here's a knife. Be careful when you use a knife, okay?
Okay. Anyway,
this is my first unboxing video guys, so just bear with me. So, binili ko to sa Amazon. So yun guys, excited. Woo. So ito, Zhiyun Crane is stabilizer siya guys, gimbal stabilizer. Order ako nito kasi gagamitin ko for wedding. Box siya, ito yung naman ng box, parang plastic siya na may hangin para hindi magbabounce. And here's the box. Here's the box guys. Wala lang naman. So here's the box. Here is it says for mirrorless camera. And see, makikita nyo ito, Crane-M Professional 3-axis digital camera gimbal. So para to maging steady yung shot mo, hindi shaky. Okay, type it now. Oh yes, finally got it. So gagamitin ko yung RX100 Mark IV ko para magamit ko to, kasi yung 70D yung bigat to eh. So open na natin. Let's open the box. Wow. Open. So may hard case siya guys. Ayun. Box na ba lang? So ito na yung gimbal. So may hard case, may kasama siyang hard case. So this is the name Zhiyun or Zhiyun, I don't know. Zhiyun siguro. So nakalagay dito website ng www.zhiyun.tech.com. Ayun. Nakita nyo guys. Ayun. So yung kasama niya, yung wireless remote control. Wireless remote control. So magamit natin yan later. So ito dito may ano siya, parang phone. Kita. Yan, kita ni bago. Parang kita niya naman ako sa bed ng bed box. Ayun. Ano ito? Pang ano siya, tripod. So ito, this is for cell phones. So ito yung tripod niya. makita kung may kasama niya. And gloves. Gloves. May gloves. May glove pa na sa amin. Ito pang punas. And I don't know what's this one. Looks like lipstick. And message from Zhiyun. Ito yung kasama nila. Barcodes and warranty card, user manual, and another manual. Strap ng case niya, the mount for GoPro. What's that cord? Charger, 3600 milliamp. So dalawang battery. So kailangan natin ng 2 batteries sa gimbal na to. Itong battery na to, it will last for 12 hours. That's what they said. I don't know if it's true, and let's figure out tomorrow. Saka yung gimbal mismo, guys. There you go. Here's the gimbal. I don't know how to use this one, but let's see. So, try natin. Guys, speakers. Speakers, guys. Sulit siya. May pamilya siya. Bigat siya. Kita natin yung version ng actor. Dito.
This world out here is so lonely and cold.
There we go. So now we have perfectly balanced camera and camera. Cool. Okay, there were 3 different modes with the with this gimbal. I guess it's right now this is the default mode, which is stay horizontal, and if I turn, the camera will turn. And the other mode is this mode here. This mode locks it.
So, okay na siya, guys. Balance na siya. Kaso yung, tingnan nyo kung makikita nyo. Oh, sure. Balance na yung kaso low bat yung battery, so need natin mag-charge. So I think we're all good. So i-charge muna natin to, and bukas itatry natin ang kuha nito. So see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Sorry, this is my first unboxing video, guys. So sorry. See you tomorrow.